Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to set up custom keyboard theme on the Redmi A5. Now to do that, just open the keyboard on your smartphone. Now from here, just tap on the settings icon on your keyboard. Now from here, just tap on theme. Now from here, you can change the theme of your keyboard. From here, you can select any of these solid colors. And also you have the option of any of these landscape images, and also you have the option of light gradients and dark gradients. I will select this landscape image. Now if you disable this toggle, you will disable the borders of the keys on your keyboard. I will disable this option. Now from here, just tap on apply. Now if you go back, you can see that we have changed the theme of our keyboard. Now, if you want to set a custom image on your keyboard, just tap on the settings icon on your keyboard and tap on theme. Now from here, just tap on the plus icon over here. Now just select any image from your gallery app, just like that. Now from here, just tap on next. Now from here, you can adjust the brightness of the image on your keyboard, just like that. Now once you have done that, just tap on done. Now if you disable this toggle, you will disable the borders of the keys on your keyboard. I will disable this option. Now just tap on apply. Now from here, if you go back, you can see that we have changed the theme of our keyboard, just like that. Now if you want to customize your keyboard even more, just go to your home screen and open the Play Store app on your smartphone. Now in the search bar, just search this. Now just install this app on your smartphone. Now just tap on open. Now once you have installed this app on your smartphone, just go to your home screen and open the Play Store app on your smartphone. Now in the search bar, just search this. Now just install this app on your smartphone. Now it will take a few seconds to download this app on your smartphone, and once the app is fully downloaded, just tap on open. Now from here, just tap on active. Now from here, just tap on enable. Now just tap on OK. Now from here, just enable this toggle and tap on OK. Now from here, just tap on switch keyboard. Now from here, just select Keys Cafe. Now once you have done that, just go back. Now from here, just tap on style your own keyboard. Now just tap on theme. Now from here, just select any theme which you like. I will select this one. Now just tap on download. Now from here, just wait for a few seconds, then tap on apply theme. Now as you can see, we have successfully changed the theme of our keyboard. And this is how you can set up custom keyboard theme on the Redmi A5. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.